Hello everyone, happy Father's Day to all of you. So Gallo, this is Gallo, remember Gallo? Still here. The owner, he's so busy. He works regular job, and then after job, on the weekends, he's a musician. He plays in a mariachi band. So Guy is still here, and he has a baby. Oh, hey guys. So the blue bar is his baby. Hey. And they laid eggs again. With this beautiful blue bar Mexican. Hey Gallo, come here, come here, come here. Good boy, come here. Get in my hand. Gallo, Gallo, you wanna go home? Hey, you wanna go home, Gallo? Well, I spoke with the owner, and he said probably after the babies start winning, he's gonna come and pick him up, or we can meet halfway. Hi, Gallo. I like you, Gallo, but you have to go home. Come here, Gallo. I want to see your baby. Good boy. You see? Come here. Okay, guys. Let's play the video. Oy. Cables. Where are they going? Okay, it's 7:26. 7:49. 7:49. Let's see. And the birds. The birds already there. So they did good. So they just beat me, maybe 1 minute. Go home. They're already here. So those videos, I start training them in May. So I start with 4 miles, 7 miles, 11, 15, 20, and 30. And the last toast I did not record, but it was a 40 something minutes drive and about 33, 35 miles, but for them could be like 30 miles, and they did good. I just beat them for 3 minutes. I got here, and then after me they show up. This is like 18, 20 miles for me, so it should be like 15 for them. It's like almost 30 minutes drive. Let's see how they do. Ready, guys? Okay guys, go home. On my way back home, this is like 4.8 miles from my house. Should be like 4 for them. These one are the youngest. Not the youngest, younger than the other ones. So the other ones I just released around 7:06. So this one will be released 7:29. Okay guys, you guys ready? Go home. $7.37. 30 minutes from the first toast, and looks like they are there. Let's see who's here. I think just the ones from the first toss are here. The second toss, not here yet. The second toss just got here at 7:47:48. So I think they did like 18 minutes. And the only bad news It's before I remove this cage from here, this little breeding section, raccoon came back after 3 months when I had my hens here, 7 of them, and he killed 5. So the first time he went through the trap, so I put this plywood only with these 2 screws, so I didn't fix it right, so it was my fault. So he came back after 3 months and squeezed his body through this gap, and he killed 5. So he came back the next day, and I was waiting for him the day after, and I caught him. But it is what it is. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll never say it, the like and subscribe, but if you wish, you're free to do it. And happy Father's Day. Enjoy your day. What's up, guys?